How to remove dual clock on lock screen on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Settings application on your device. Scroll down, locate Additional Settings option. Now choose Date and Time. Scroll down and at the bottom you will find Dual Clock which displays two clocks whenever you are outside your usual time zone. Open it. And here you can see that the dual clock has been displayed on lock screen. When you tap on it, there is no the option or there is no any option for a none. If you want to remove clock on lock screen or dual clock on your lock screen on Android phone, you simply need to get back to the space and make sure to toggle the button off. Now, the dual clock won't be displayed on your Android lock screen. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.